Are you drinking water? Here, Zoe. Good job. You're getting a little... Huh? Is it good? I have a feeling you're going to be wearing more water than you drink, but that's okay. Hold on. Here, let's move your bib. It's okay. Here. Go ahead. You can hold it. You like your water? Careful. Whoa. Got it? Okay. Gotta turn this towards your mouth. This way. Uh-huh. There you go. Go ahead. Maybe we're done with the water. Good job.